Like a Hellcat.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning out my refrigerator. It's been a while since I've done this, maybe a month I think. Yeah, I'm going to be cleaning this fridge. Did you see how much mess I have in here? There's just a lot of leftovers, there's just some stains on the door from the baby food and all that stuff, things that I need to throw away. I just didn't have the time to do it, so yeah, I'm going to tackle it today. There's just some things that need to be thrown away, some things that expired, some salad dressing that expired in the fridge, and I just need to get rid of leftovers that we're not going to use anymore. The freezer is okay. I already cleaned it out, I think the day before I'm recording this video, so I'm not doing anything with the freezer today. We're just going to focus on this fridge and get it cleaned out. It needs to be cleaned, like thoroughly cleaned out. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So if you need some motivation today, then come along with me and let's get this fridge cleaned out. So now I'm going to take everything out of this fridge so I can give it a thorough wipe down.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky.
Here I'm gonna go with my Mr. Clean to do a cleaning. Then after that I'm just gonna go back with just a wet rag with water, nothing else, just to wipe it down after I use the Mr. Clean. So I'm gonna follow up with just water. Yeah, I have to spray right here and leave it to sit, and then I'm using this blue sponge that I got from the Dollar Tree because some stains are just so tough that I have to spray and let it soak so I can scrape it off. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's how bad it is. So yeah, I have to spray it and let it sit for some minutes before I start scrubbing it down.
Oh yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. 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 Let me if you up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you are real right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got a feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling in with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you, but the night is slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. You fell into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight.
Here I'm just washing all those containers from the door and in the fridge itself. So yeah, there's a lot of stains. I had to take some things apart to be able to get into all the corners in this thing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you are real right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got a feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling in with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you, but the night is slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if let me up with a bright smile on now.
Now I'm done cleaning and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Yeah, I'm super happy that I got it done and out of the way. So now it's time to put things back in the fridge. I really do apologize for not introducing myself in the beginning of this video. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, welcome. And on this channel you will find cleaning motivations, and some decorating and some DIYs and mom life. So yeah, feel free to subscribe if you like contents like this, and don't forget to put your bell on.
Want to be with you, call my name, love, ooh, somebody else, and that is you, ooh.
Here I'm just cleaning the outside with some Mr. Clean, because there's a lot of stains on the door, on the handle, and I'm cleaning out this little thing under the ice maker.
Oh, something. You look into my eyes and fell a feeling. Then nothing got a dream like a same night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's all around us. You look into my eyes, together through.
If you are still watching me up until this moment, thank you so much for sticking around, and I really appreciate your presence here today. And stay blessed, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.